na de call so meka se nansane ne no mebe pese obebo emu de akren minim se bia wo tete ye news ene ye other programs no ye kama wo hunu se Germany mampanyini aba eye friend of Frank Walter Steinmeier ni die ne de ala your friend is Abrante ni bo me sre wo akire wo sa na mame committee osesafo na membisa no yenim se mampanyini eba ahanomo mesasafo adaroma ninsa yemu no na ede ne sinani so pa ema no ede ebepie yenwura anim
Kovi me dawase na me bom wase
yura no correct
na Manhyia Opemsuo etiefo nananom ene omombo bia
ma mensen country chiefo say we are live on Facebook enti de miru asasafo eka ene de course nyina no esen twegu e wo Facebook ye Opemsuo radio ye no nti obetimi ahwe no honomo na wo comment bia na bibia won so di god my bejebre na akenkan de amawo ya kai se obehye na adofo bi nso anya bi ahwe mesafo adama to so mami
good ko fi se de mekai no machia na machia watiefo nyina na madawase ewo akonwen enso a wode amame na mjidi se Opemsuo de adwuma na mo bono
edemase
what I say etimu ana ye ni agise ya se bio
Opemsuo
yeso yenya yura the station eti tell obusa me no what say Tuesday na yenya said ye twagu yenya the president His Excellency Frank Walter emane eba Asantehene ho no crane say na oba state visit Ghana na around 11 September 2025 and the correspondence came free the foreign ministry and the German embassy requesting to pay a state to requesting for a courtesy call on His Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second. And then clearly, as they said it, also we have the honor that His Excellency the President is scheduled to pay a state visit to Ghana from the 2nd to 4th November. During the visit, His Excellency is requesting a meeting with His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second Asantehene on the 4th of November 2025. Inti ya hon kwanabra ginana. Eba into reality. Yeah, the same 4th of November na anti. As I say, German foreign affairs for Edin kita hon throughout this time ana nyame adom papa no so timba bedru ya oba be hia yewura. I said the be no. Se panyi bi aba krom ha na oba be hia yewura enye yade foforo so panyi bia obaba Ghana mem ho aye presidents ne head of states ne prime ministers no omo that share na say so omutimi eba no mba be chia yewura na enye so mba chia ne keke but so omo ne baba twetwen komo na omo hwe di omo so be ya na say di yewura so be ya be boa ma mpuntuo etimi aba Ghana memu ha enya Asantehene ko a se de kan de bia no yewura ogya homa Ghana menyina enye Asantehene ko a ntina to de bina emu eye tare na emu eye prekesia is a leader the leaders for on the one person the leaders for on said the beya omonso obetimi abem internationally everywhere said the beya odona no tumbia ebeboa ama ebeboa ama mpuntu anase solutions a yepe e de ama yema no yenya enti ye kan say bo mu asema yura ye kan say ohini nyankoda. Back to the question, go feed now. The German president Baby drew her on the 4th November. That's Tuesday. The main purpose, our buyer no say on Ira Eba Babishia now oma bedidi nkinta ho with respect to business and other related kind of a na ohwe delegation the German president eba babedru Asantehene mu ha na ese ofenye delegation ketwa before then na yene ne omo office that's the German embassy for no edili amoma me hu papa no the willingness of person like how willing na person ne kofobi aha e kan ho eba be hu yura enti ma me fa go through kakra bi on empanyimfo a ode omo eba babedru ye yura enim ebi ho a yenyina de hu ya ne de ekọ so yura ho no but other sections no so was that no ba ho a bon se ura ho se yura ho no osumfo se to jubili ho ewo offices bebre enti yenyina fanfare no hu se ekọ so the main long room a se bi ho na yura etna receive no but concurrently no
nani mo enkomo odi bi nso kokọ so
offices no a host to the businessmen for now almost sabio a carefully selected businessmen are normal and so any emrofo businessmen no di papa nachi yon ko fobi to say businessmen be to say Achimbeka me bobo omunyina din managing director Inzak Germany Kukudam ye kan Germany Kukudam omu areas bebre say ba business basic pa sabi obi din ebia ya tia ye hu Rasmus woman so what in din da also we have containers bebre on the woman as a shipping you know or a contractor or a big time contractor and you know say no so her ne pair ya de man or her ya de mrs say ya de concert
because of construction
no
entina metiase a president neba no was selected businessmen almost ebona chidom eno mo bai
ono mo na tena flight so bai na ha
eno bedru kuma sukuri yewran so ema omo ni omo share businessmen at the various sectors no
thank you sana ye pay iti papa na eba no o me hu say no crese me ba a state visit but ne pompon so ana say the important aspect of it ninga na say me ba yura ho na me ba yura wa me be say time a me wo yura ho no a me ni di en komo no e be say me nkofo a me ni omo ba ye me businessmen a omo bo me chi dom o Germany a me ndi omo ba be dru Ghana ha no e be say yura so ene embassy no emi ye hwe no ye select businessmen on betimi amachi omo say bio say the be ya omo so betimi change contacts so the visit will not just be a one time visit no
dimpuntu be brain
impuntu a emudo impuntu a ekonanim ebeba Asantehene ene Ghana mem
Opemsuo
that was the reason that was the main reason why papa ne ye de ebaye it is not just a mere courtesy call or the 11 business men and a can ho and then a buyer top notch businessmen it's just so here there now we had Dr. Sir Kwame Despite and Dr. Ernest Oforisapon omono every the Despite group of companies na yo Yura Kokutin or your Angel group of companies do you know say Angel group of companies the plant no the plant now operating no if Germany into Martin and Kawo
me drink be crown on from next level so produce no Germany
good into Martin and Kawo and then the video you chagua papa ne chia or chia or ten no Dr. Kokutin no omo ka bibi chia no say we na ye kan wa so timi import this number to
what no hu ni
pakro what you say
me say abusiamba bia obi abetumi join on Facebook na hwe pictures ne videos ye chiro
ye take a from a hard days na say o chia Dr. Oforisapon no and na despite and so no and atia hano na yura kire omo so de omo timi ye do say no omo ni businessmen for na share din komo we exchange contacts you despite na sabi you wie no obechia euro ni euro for support mo be da euro as say
so they was saying trom
what boy
abroso
because
Opemsuo
ye ba ye do say ye ni momo ye tin komo but ye ba ye ni gani ye gani
now who your businessman here link you to the presidency for Germany
what I say
ya bi mu
ye
kesiam
ni gani we who said nipa we na say oya panyi wa de na ye ne nti ye ni o ma exchange top contacts ye be follow up na ese ye kɔ hɔ a ye be kɔ hɔ na de ese ye pa de bo bia no ye be ye de aboa nti they were very 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 happy we Yura excellency no concert also concert
into construction
concert also be share or also counterpart
okay
any didi nkomoko animu bebre eti businessmen no mobile no I think say from the information nya ye ne the hu ye no they were very 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 happy
they will
for what nyame adom nyame fa Yura so etimi connect you to Ghanaian businessmen almost the economy nti ye gidi say ensi hɔ a you mentioned something about the magazine and so on say a whole normal no na German for no interest to papa okay before the proud to say ambassador ne buy proud to say papa buy I say in the meeting era publicly say what you get out of the meeting is what is important to him, not
Nipanaba or
Bachiana, because your trust our stage, and then we need to get benefits from every meeting via bank.
Member to us, Obusamba will be a Wutiemi, Mene, Mr. Emmanuel Safo, a deputy head protocol Manhyia, and a churching Comoabia Fenado Fidenatua. Nano, Nene Nansa, and a German Mampanini, Eba Cruduemo. O Drugana or Coach Mampaniano said, Meba Santimon Mababa Chayura. Now I said, Mr. Safokano, young Radi, or no yes, Nipano Betchiano Nefeno, and in a Debbie. I say, and saying, Omugretti Pena, saying, Mampanini Bayano, so Baba standing there, and move faso diano, Asantehene, and faso dear Benny woman, ye beat me, Enya. Yadam so says Safokase. Say Mampanyini ne ba no ye wura ma na hunu say ye mpuntu ne epu nti oba no ni businessmen akase omo twotwo wuro German businessmen atwotwo wuro no oni omumra ama omu nya di na chine ne bai nti oba ne enso ye ma na hu ye enso ye businessmen atwotwo wuro e wo hanom no enam Mr. Sesafo ka say ye Angel Group of Companies Dr. Kwakutin ye wura ma ne bai despite or by Oforisapon any movie video na mubehunu mpanyimfo businessmen mo kroma send ye beya so onya chrono construction or yet said the concern na yamano anya construction company mpanyimfo mo ho no mo bi na ye nyina ye dinsa ye dinsa wo so ana say ye nyina no yetimi ya kan bom na punto na ye pe kumasenaba say NG Group of Companies are into beverages no ni ama no so alenke up na wayenti ohun empuntu a sabi yunra ekra edi eba omahimo ye no komo anam ne misa osai safo edi safi na do ofidi ato anuma de ye kan nyina nso etwagu e wo Facebook ayo Opemsuo radio e wo Facebook nti obetimi ahwe na leave comment o mesafo ye nto aso
na commander mamentwe wadwen si ba bi so on say de be ya obehu say sabi ye tu mra ne ya dey
ya Chelsea
and say right after the meeting no of course no that was na Tuesday me boy
no correct
the Wednesday also as part of the delegation na papa no president na the mobile no na on a special guest
okay
omo groups no match mu ho atre we have the president and the ministers and the special guest
okay
and the only business delegation
okay
so what I say ni achemu three the special guest no very much of importance to him and no na footballer okay Gerard Asamoah no Ghana ni Germany he also the founder of the Gerard Asamoah Foundation for Children with Heart Disease and a football manager papa no special guest no so omo world crowd on cry hansa no mo on the doctor and professor they know professor no heart you know omo was be on cry hansa no mo ba special guest no so no more Professor Dr. Christian Drosten, honestly a director, Institute of Virology, Charité University of Medicine, Berlin. Special guest in the paper consult Professor Dr. Ezel Haverich, honestly emeritus professor of surgery, Hanover Medical School. Near Luna Simon, honestly a musician and artist. It is the attorney say Wednesday no, Tuesday ni twa ma papa no koy no. Penyumfo ya me bom din doctors for ne jada samo mo twen ye. Omo twen eba be hia yewura. Iso mo hwe ya e wo omba be pay ketasi ko on yewura. And a team of doctors omo free Germany.
We enra ya. Enra
Tuesday ni hia.
And me just ma ni twa wi enra ya.
Until Wednesday, some meeting ni ko so a omo ni na ye show we yesu yi. A team of doctors no already somebody set up a hospital.
Okay.
Ashanti
for that advanced surgery.
That advanced surgery ni sa no mani nyina omo ba be ye sa dwumadie ni nyina officially omo ba introduce omo ho eche yewura. Enti on say we the benefits of visiting of course any 24 hours na a home popo ye no what I say ye hu bi no bebre na nam kwan so ye dey eba enti wo hwe the German embassy for na edit to hwa say wa call page na hwe o mo free ha de o mo to hwa o say it was a scene me kind say the so mo twero no na we
go be abetwa akokan
e bia na kumani acheche makotwi dia o say it was a scene of pomp, pageantry and a beautiful celebration of culture as Federal President Frank-Walter Steinmeier visited His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II at the Manhyia Palace on the second day in Ghana. The meeting was one of friendship and mutual respect, rooted in the long-standing ties between Germany and Kumasi, and in the deep personal regard between the president and the king.
Yes, very specific. Was it Germany and Kumasi?
I said the meeting was one of friendship and mutual respect, rooted in the long-standing ties between Germany and Kumasi. So you
Germany mine and Kumasi mine
and in the deep personal regard between the president and the king.
No buy no so banana.
What I say? And all the business said their discussions focused on shared priorities.
And a common commitment to deepening Ghana-Germany relationship. See, I'm sure back a Germany Crania Castle Free
also deepening relationship. One can say the deepening Ghana Asante relationship. And I give deepening Asante Germany relationship. Or see deepening Ghana Germany relationship. You're also a symbol
for minor.
Oh, says you intina. You're you born in the boy once young to tona say. What I said, the influencer or war across the globe no.
Me say yeah can Facebook Opemsuo radio wo de wa fo ni be hwebi sanse ba bi say bia na wantimi ama ho bia wo de ye mo onya akonya no fo ni hwebi
last session I say we ayifo ayo German embassy for a page so na make free I say President Steinmeier acknowledged the influence acknowledged the influence and moral authority of the Asantehene and praised his key role in conflict mediation, describing him as a role model for how traditional leadership and democratic governance can take responsibility together for the common good.
What you say, Omonya Daje, Ashri, Rajumadi, Woody, and they said the Assembly or dinner no tuma, a trap pepe. No crane said the Nanonia can United Nations and Yasa quite so a young etimi ko kasa chair. Now Tedia or Moka, there's a munim, young Ranjumadi Woody, Viasing.
The whole pampine, baby, there's so no.
Opemsuo,
you're a whole pampine. Oh, it's all we all can't you rat some man, you get a yame and a dear dom and a Santa Maso de free throw. So what I said, the old Cambos I was in a walk or can I was in a good. And Panzo so share how sabio say unya konya na benira kakra na ohwe how passionate about development about the welfare of his people here now what say na papa obetimi aka asem afasade no ho na awose kra ye de egu
asem a miwura safo ekan ye no ene de ato Facebook
one
ene da ho we ye omo ubehu a German embassy Accra and omo ka say omo asem omo kan no omo fa free some ba Kumasi German embassy Accra is at Kumasi Manhyia Palace. They are proud of whatever they want to say and they are saying omo page so then you reckon it was a scene of pomp, pageantry, and a beautiful celebration of culture as Federal President Frank Walter Steinmeier visited His Majesty Opemsuo the second at the Manhyia Palace on his second day in Ghana. Until one penny by and a day to some you know, and no the bell Kumasi or so buy no, Abusia, then yasam ketwa. So be ya mamreni ya manye e chagu. So oba Ghana no mean send one who be beside that. Said you move a canon. Oh, you know, see, the meeting was one of friendship. A young da a man was one of friendship and mutual respect. A boom de mom rooted in the long-standing ties between Germany and Kumasi. And young one was so by and no plan was also be who yunra. And in the deep personal regard between the president and the king. Asantehene, Toribia, yeah, this is one of my memoir, but what? Aye.
Eti chawa or you made the course nyina na enye afefe de na nko but sabio a normal ye free mu the business connections e create here the connections are e ba ye any just normal e free mu ba no e doso na e beboa ama Asantehene ene Ghana nyina ye de etumpon
Abusa there is a Safo kind. And paying for a mobile businessman ye. The chance say a bema ye hanumon say businesses no agro. A grown say a bema yet me for nipa more assign a renumum. Ye your name punto na de brain. Now imagine say ya more mobile or more automobile or more into automobile near be car assembling plant or hanuma home never eduma. And ya Kutin be in a jumama and ya Ghana for no form or says upon any despite to be mujumama and ya Ghana for an auntie raining fasodia yunra said Okanas and yafa fedian say or mampanino mum pesa or bebabes and nimum o badia said your kind or dead and tem dada a boy de and tem dada a young fair de and tem dada dear any infantry puntu na infant puntumre kumasamania Asantehene Ghana manina. I was there and some kids on Facebook in the monitor. Na sabi ubisa ho say enye yunra a bad thing and a banisa.
I think say the yenya you no you better there say sabi wama yankwa wama the privilege also to be working for His Majesty Opemsuo or say to the second. Na yesum yetimi a witness Sajumadia a course be. You ran your video, Mrs. Siano. I am who say Yamano, Macase, the gift tonight, the man, yeah. I order my Kawasan Cacratch me. Mount say, you right, not Jabihina, a crown of Jabihina, a presented none of the affair. Unim say, or no so a year, you know, or no the D can presenting a gift. Am I you right? And the gift, no surprisingly, no. What you rahwan that was you rahwan who say you the golf for 70 of any agro. Oh, I see. It is all the golf cut in the bread. Oh, sir. Hey, and then the next you off with the euro and that's a good try. Oh, any good go back. I see. And me same room bank you rub and never Chinese skills. And one boss need Opemsuo a goon. Oh, bank. I see. Or no one say rat. The Juma dear, oh dear, and the nature power. Trust me, the next year, who in one. Pardon them, everyone can you go from there. And now in return, also no. As always be
yeah
man no assisted
mahun say
and the channel na
edaso
a boss no the symbol of the Asante into ukona udisi officer papa ne ka say the near jade no ho say okwa ne office no the presidential office no or the kwa kusi ho e ade a so na ni yie say ura ama ne bibi say eyi no boss no gold ndo e amfa mo so ye the silver na boss gold ndo e time fa mo sa ye the silver na the boss but we so priceless oh yes sabi o say if you Asante the go on enya de keto o
na
we wo de to so a we a sika da ho na enya sika keto
o na o kan sa na nya sa said the SFN ne ndi say sika ko pepe
the one says sika ko so bo but say we no so silver na silver no the way a
design anyway no cry feke
so we just a hand ko na be hu bi o
benya bi na nya
sa de a unya bi enti we say papa no ka che yura time we no ka che yura say adene ne fa say o
no say nani aju ni
okwa o de kwa ko si ne
ho no mo
what you say e de bibia akwa ko
ni pa mpanfom di na chi ni bi
mpanfom di na chi no say ha mame enka oma amudi na chi no like oma no mo wosa office one no Opemsuo bi enchel na oma wosa office one na on the head of the office of the state secretary
okay
and on the minister of state federal foreign office
okay
and na ebaye on the parliament state secretary federal ministry
memo ato so de yehwesisi no e de na
or sign the visitors book
okay
or sign the visitors book no throw the obaye enti the unhu no ho a ne some meaning na de omo de to omo page na so no
exactly
asema o throw ho no ne some meaning na omo de to page na so a o share how profound and how happy he was say bibisa the course no
ayi answer na obebo omo you heard the last paragraph na o maka se bo no ache say to the bia hu obi san fi ba bi sa be kan so a o say President Steinmeier acknowledge the influence and moral authority of the Asantehene and praise his key role in conflict mediation, describing him as a role model for how traditional leadership and democratic governance can take responsibility together for the common good.
Thank you.
As soon as you know about it,
we don't can say elaborator. So school near the visit to ne can say elaborator. The way to me throw the bed your so that's assembling in no more bon tofa na omo dia to no. E go vina enye visit ketwa. Sabi you ra enam nim die ene the way he is respected around the globe on internet. Emma Chromosome penyufo bebre man penyufo bebre pese omo ye dey
eba ho
omo hu no
o yo man panyi bi na hu so German man panyi kura abase ya wo ka so o be press
anu so na nam so I was here say
Opemsuo
ne travels no you want say Barbados yi so wa ko Barbados
me kai pa so almost about 2 years a bit over 2 years
a chepa
no Barbados they are Trinidad na about 2 years yeah
and so you can see say still the I extended an invitation to him.
Okay.
For a state visit. The person so Guba for na you know.
Yes, na trade anymore.
But yeah, so what I say. Barbados for coming era. And also for the president of Suriname.
Okay.
And also welcome as the special guest of honor for Omu Independence Anniversary.
I see.
And it's a you
Chazanya de Kitwa.
Ote Hana Ote baby now to I am Pia.
Oh.
Sabu
no aha. I brand to us Nemudi Bia.
Debbie. And we are you're very, very, very focused on the development of the Ashanti and Ghana as a whole. Enti normal bia baby obeko bia no e dim puntu beba e dim koso beba e no na e na e de ade a e man and given the morale to do what is doing. Enti we dey e beda yurase na yeshira no
ade ba konso a medam panyumfo ase ya na ne the cultural display.
That is it.
Me no ka say yenreba gitapudio na ebanya no. Yeah, at no point and Asantehene yetoto amamre ni amane ase.
No, on say adia me hu ne say me the maba be hunu ze go fi adia it was not massage
Opemsuo
so the adia to na wa massage ade no
wa anya se wa no wode wa adwen
wa da do adwen ke bia se ni a de bia no follow
sanity
you don't miss it
enokre
follow that pattern no
anka we ka se
obi a wo de oyo ntu
bronia bo bai and mo prepare bananso ejute pudo de
obi a wo de oye e na se e ba na e fre se ene ebe se ya we nim de obeye we nim de obeye we di no menti e be boma na ma de na fe tina de bia no menhia ye bibia o mo se e na de de se de se akofu e de
ye ne se kutu
ye ni ma de ye we I say a lineage ene de swa ntu wo ma na ma wani je se wo so ye de wo ma wo so ye de wo ye bi eti govi
na no obi enemi ye interview se na funeral committee no ye na hema de no kofi na ka wona hu ne se nam se a privilege it's a privilege
that is it
also Manhyia also Asantehene ne nipa bebebe afro so ka ho it's a privilege
it's
a privilege to be an Ashanti. It's a privilege to be serving Asantehene.
That is it. That is it. A rare privilege.
A rare privilege.
Opemsuo.
Okay. Me asafo me da wase say ye to nsafra wo no. Won so otie ye na asopam na opese me ne matie fo ibe hu de ekoso. In fact, me nim set Trinidad no bia na wakobi ukobi ana say nyesa sorry Barbados. Say ba so be ko Barbados na me pe me mrante bia mo ne wako na due be koso ho bia no so no me hia me ban kwanta na so se ya me mama tiefo nyina atibi me wi ameba ho na ma pe me nipa no ba kwa me ma ne na kwa ma me
se kutu
se bam na bibia omode asome me trans se ya
that's it so ya bom aba so adwuma mo ya Opemsuo se de me kan ye no Opemsuo like ma ba ma ayefe na dwumadi amu dinne hawa ma mi redi ayibi na se mi wo ho me madam fu bi a oye ayi owo BBC BBC or send them a message that was yesterday next after I said good morning my brother, I just want to say you are doing an absolutely fantastic job with the outlook and media content of the palace. It is great PR and organization without noise. Keep it up.
No correct.
As someone was saying, BBC or her or we Germany, you know, more one or two
no crap na say Opemsuo to bia ye nya intimi nkan fo na o hwe impo ye media team no pictures na dey go Facebook a hu say correct pictures, videos are correct videos na now ye tie for no senka me beautiful lines say a anka abeti no wasom na ye sabi untimi nka say wasom Asantehene no wasom no bia o
ekoye
enti de osa wo ye no
ekoye enti ye bebo mabaso sabi omo de send say ya Mama de Sunday, saying I'm a video. Again, as only said with a sham who on a maniaje. As well, Opemsuo, Asamo. And to get okay, yeah, come there, some. It's your best fossil, Aboma Basso. I say, Munya, Emanem Broso.
That's it.
Yadamasipa.